I'm Michael Little, play left back for Accrington Stanley. It's really important to get out and support the community and the surrounding communities and get our faces out here and try and just help them with stuff like tonight with like the lights and see all the people and the kids, try and tell them about Accrington Stanley. It's a very family-friendly club, a good club, and that we need all the support we can get. So if you fancy coming down and trying to come down and watch a few games and support the team and support the boys, then I'd be very grateful.